Thank you, Dr. Prabhu, for your sharing. Yeah, I think today's topic is very relevant to our current situation. The COVID is so serious, especially in India. Really. So your family in India is okay?
Oh, all fine.
Okay, yeah, in Singapore it's also getting serious now. So we have more restriction back to the phase 2. In fact, yeah, actually today I'm having some event on the Mother's Day. We're giving away the terrace water and also the charcoal healthy bread. And yeah, we also need to do it in very carefully, control the crowd and to avoid the COVID. Okay, I see the chat group. There are many questions. So, doctor, you maybe would like to share. Okay,
Simple
those
questions you answer, Angie. Anything related to medical, I will answer because you are also an expert in this now. Don't worry. I will assist.
Okay. Yeah. So for those that need a doctor's explanation, please unmute your mic and ask by yourself. So it's better you ask personally and explain your situation. Okay.
Hello,
Yeah. Tell me your name and where are you from?
I'm Biha from Penang.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to know from doctor, can I help myself with Parkinson with the terrace water? How will it benefit me if I were to take terrace water in terms of helping Parkinson? Because I have Parkinson for about 10 years and it's deteriorating lately.
Okay.
So I would like to know whether it's of at least a little help or not to slow down the progression.
Are you taking any supplement or undergoing any treatment, or what kind of water are you drinking right now? Maybe you will.
Drinking normal water, but my friend just supply me with terrace water. But I haven't bought the gadget
Then,
myself.
yeah, taking any supplement or any doctor's treatment ongoing?
Yeah, I'm ongoing taking the medication from the doctor.
Okay, Angie, I'm going to take over this.
Okay.
Burley, one of the beautiful situation right now. Number one, your Parkinson, which part of your body is affected? It's your brain, correct?
Yes, it's my brain.
Okay.
That's true.
Now, do you know the other organs? Even if you consider 36 organs in our body, one part is brain. The remaining 35 organs, do you want to give the benefit to those organs or not?
Of course.
Of course. So what will happen is, when we are holistically giving the benefit for your body in terms of giving the right amount of water, adequate amount of water, and terahertz definitely will assist you in terms of, as I told you, your body knows what to do the best. You're already on medications, but this, what it will do is, if there is a lot of poisoning which has already happened, and one of the main reasons for Parkinson is lead poisoning inside, mercury poisoning inside your brain, which is not being thrown out. So when you are going to drink this water, what can happen is, naturally there can be some mechanism wherein these toxins can be thrown out naturally. So what will happen is, maybe if you're taking one tablet a day, over a period of time, maybe between 3 to 6 months, when you're consuming this water, your medical tablet requirement will come down from one tablet to half a tablet. That can happen. But other than that, you are giving the benefit to your body by hydrating yourself with the right water. So what will happen? The other, your heart, your lungs, your liver, kidneys, everything becomes more healthier. So when all the organs are working healthier, they know what to do with the brain. They will actually interact with the brain, and then probably they will speak to them and say, hey buddy, don't worry, we are all there with you, we will take care of you, and then we will assist you. So what will happen is, overall you will start becoming more healthier. And now, there was one particular word you used which I would like to rephrase it. You said your disease is deteriorating. I do agree with you that the disease process can be deteriorating, no worries. But from today onwards, what you need to do is, aren't you a blessed soul to be alive on this planet Earth today, on this day of 8th of May? You are a blessed soul. Why? So in that way, whether the disease is deteriorating or increasing, it doesn't matter. You are living on planet Earth. can we do something? So today is a day you need to work on yourself, and terahertz definitely will assist you to move forward to becoming more healthier. So not to worry, continue drinking. Then let's see how it will help you, because we do not have any specific clinical trials done only for Parkinson's, and then we don't have. So in that way, it will be difficult for us to even tell you, okay, fine, you drink this water, this will be better. We don't have.
But I agree, you are doctor. Overall, other organs are benefiting from water, which is necessity for our body.
Absolutely.
That one I agree.
Absolutely.
Thank you very
Dr.
much.
Prabhu.
Who is this?
This is William here.
Hey, William. Good morning to you.
I have a very serious problem here. One of our member, the wife is in ICU because of COVID.
Okay.
They've been drinking for, I think, at least 4 months already. So what should I do to help them? Because the whole family is under quarantine.
Okay. Now, very simple, William. Number one, okay, the COVID has already entered into the particular person, and already the person is in ICU, right? Now, here you and I will not be able to enter into the hospital and give any assistance for the people inside the ICU. It's still okay, let the doctors assist. Unless they give you an option for you to give an assistance, we can start using terahertz spray. You know, you can spray all around you inside home environment. Start using the terahertz spray. But other than that, if you are in a home quarantine, they must be under some doctor who are actually treating them and then assisting them in terms of giving the right antibiotics, the vitamin C, vitamin D3, then the zinc, then sufficient amount of water, then of course appropriate measures to prevent the disease spread, of course individually, then your food habits. All these they must be doing, William. Unless they specifically want some assistance, that's when I can come in, and then probably you give me a call. I will tell you what are the other ways we can externally helping, rather than be speaking over in a normal common platform here.
No, I was thinking of sending some resonated water for her.
Absolutely, absolutely. You should. Why not?
Yeah. Then a spray bottle for her to spray.
Yes.
Something like that.
You should. In fact, you should. What I am using is, I am having a huge humidifier, which is around 5 liters of water. I put terahertz water inside that, and then I use essential oils for antibacterial effect, and then I just use a humidifier. I'm using it in my clinic rooms. So they also should do that.
To sniff the steam,
Not to sniff, it is just basically to cleanse your room with that positive environment.
But in the ICU, how are you going to do it?
ICU cannot do this. I'm talking for the home quarantine. Please do not discuss something to do with the hospital. It's none of our business to even talk about the ICU patient, because we cannot help them.
Yeah. But sending water is okay lah. It should be
absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah,
and you can steam the water also. Boil the water and do the steam inhalation. Terahertz water will definitely help you, because it gets absorbed immediately into your system, and then thereby it will cleanse all the unwanted toxins, and then the bacteria will be definitely killed when you do a steam inhalation.
Okay.
Yeah. For this point, I can add on. Yeah, there is a sharing by this. There is a sharing before from Indonesia. The person already being hospitalized and using the breathing gadget, right? Seems quite serious, and then they send the terahertz water 4 days only, drinking the warm terahertz water, and 4 days they discharge already. So definitely will help. So just depends on the hospital. It better allow you to go inside, and then you find a way, let them drink or to spray the face, spray the throat area. Okay, William? Yeah,
I want to share also.
Thank you.
Yeah, who's that?
I'm Amy here.
Amy?
Yeah, regarding the COVID, my friend recovering, drank the water, her sense of smell came back, ulcers healed faster, and her sore throat was much better after drinking terahertz. Recovering COVID patient. Okay, Dr. Prabhu, I have 3 questions for you. Can terahertz water actually help people with depression, and also people who have cataracts? Does it help? And after the operation, can they still rinse their eyes with terahertz water? Is it possible?
You have finished 2 questions. You said 3
Yeah,
questions.
yeah, one more. I cannot remember. I listened to you first. Sorry. Oh yeah. Muscular dystrophy. A friend of mine has got muscular dystrophy, a genetic, some kind of immunity problem. So will it help?
Amy, I need to let you know my son has a muscular dystrophy. He's a 17-year-old boy and he's drinking Therese water. He's very healthy.
Praise the Lord.
Oh,
What about cerebral palsy, Dr. Prabhu?
No,
Cerebral
here,
palsy.
no, what you need to understand is, let's not put in the disease part into all our discussion. The reason is, of course, there are so many diseases, but what you're drinking is an optimized water wherein it will help your body to heal itself. We are not talking about drink the water and cure the disease. We are not talking about it. What we are talking is, you drink water, it will assist you for a healing process wherein things can change, and then it will assist you to move forward into a healing situation. So whether you're talking about after cataract operation, or after you're looking for a cure of a disease, now why did the disease first of all happen, especially if you're talking about depression. Now if depression, you're talking, what is the environmental condition of this particular patient? Is it depression because of the family issues? Is it because of the emotional issues? What is the reason? There are chemical changes happening inside the brain. So how are you going to drink water and then treat a depression patient? It doesn't happen that way. But what will happen is, in a situation where a particular person is in depression, let me give you an example. If the person, or a person who is with that particular depression person, you use a glass of water and send a lot of love vibration for a healing of that particular depression, and when you give that water to that person and they drink it, over a period of time, let me tell you, there will be some changes happening inside them. If you can spray this water filled with lot of love inside the water, and you spray over that particular person who is in depression, definitely they'll be able to overcome that situation of depression. But we are not talking about a cure or a solution for us, especially a disease process. What we are talking is, epigenetics is a basic foundation. We go to the foundation, start working on it. Maybe it will take some time for us to see the changes, so we need to work on it. So it's all a process of the walking with the journey, and with water, with your proper nutrition, then your positive attitude, your environmental around you, all plays a very, very important role. So look into all the angle, and let's walk together.
Thank you,
yes.
Dr. Prabhu.
Yes, correct. Just now, doctor also mentioned about the walk in the nature. Yeah, so the breathing and also the emotion. So we have to find out the root cause of the depression. Sometimes it's due to some incident. Yeah, so have to resolve the root cause first. Oh, yeah. Okay. So
Hi, doctor.
Yes.
Hi, Dr. Prabhu. Good morning.
Very
I am
good morning.
Grace from Malaysia, Puchong. I have this friend that is drinking the water, but she still have like the tinnitus. Tinnitus, that is some fungus infection to the ears that affect the vertigo, you see. So if she continue to drink this water, does it help her? She's asking.
No. Okay, here, Grace, what you need to understand is, number one, you are talking about vertigo, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, vertigo, if you look at, there are a lot of reasons for a person getting vertigo. Even a little wax in your ear, a little wax, it can go and touch your tympanic membrane and you can have a giddiness. That's number one, or a vertigo. Now, there can be a perforation in the tympanic membrane, you can have vertigo. It can be because of just a vitamin B12 deficiency can give rise to vertigo. And other than that, blood pressure can give to vertigo. Other than that, your compromised blood flow into your middle ear can give rise to vertigo. So if you look at the reason, there are a lot of reasons why that particular person can go in for a vertigo. Number one, what you need to understand is, if you're talking about a fungal infection, no doubt we do say that Therese water is an antifungal, right? Yes, but what will happen is, if there is a fungal infection inside your gut system or in your external skin area, you need to go for an oral antifungal treatment for a minimum of 3 weeks. only then the whole fungus will be thrown out, and then when you're complementing your body with terahertz water, things will be much more easier. Otherwise, what will happen is, if you're only drinking terahertz water and thinking that it is going to be antifungal, sorry, it won't work that way. Because if it is a mild infection, yes, terahertz will work. But if it is a severe infection, it may need an assistance from the medical fraternity for you to clear the disease first and then move forward.
Okay.
Is that okay,
Then
Grace?
she asked about can she spray the water, because I always teach her how to spray the water. Anything, any problem, you can just spray the water. Can she spray the water to the outside of the ear?
Yeah. Spraying water
Then-
is absolutely fine. There shouldn't be any reason. You should actually recommend that. Is not a problem. But what you need to understand is, when you're spraying outside the ear, now the situation is, was she examined by an ENT surgeon? I'm an ENT surgeon. If I see her ears, I know what to do. But blindly, if she will tell you, like, my ear is this problem. Are you sure that what problem is she having? You also don't know. So unless she gets examined by an ENT surgeon and she tells, okay, this is the diagnosis, then things will be more easy for us to give a solution for her. Most of the time, let me tell you, all these friends, they will give you all the situation where you won't even know what is the problem.
Yeah, correct. Okay.
So don't get into their disease
It's
problem.
better to send her to see you first before we go do any further, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dr. Prabhu.
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate you. So I send her to you first, okay?
Good morning. Good morning, leaders. I'm Bernard here.
Who is it?
I'm Bernard.
What's your name and where are you from?
Bernard from Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
I posted some questions in the chat regarding the company founders and all that. I hope somebody can answer me for that.
Angie, he wants to know more about the company, and so probably you can, or maybe Brian can just let him know the company background. And
yeah, Bernard, maybe you can look back the person who introduced you. So because right now we are more on the medical by Dr. Prabhu. For company profile, you look back the person who introduced you, huh?
But my upline also doesn't know everything all the time asking for.
Or inside the Telegram group chat, there are more information. Yeah. So definitely they are leader, especially in the KL is the headquarter over there. Have you visited? You can visit the office, but right now COVID, I'm not sure whether you can visit. For sure there was someone to because your question is a long story if you want to talk. So next time if there is a Zoom, the Chinese Zoom on a Saturday night, yes, tonight you can join in again. And I think every Tuesday you keep closely about our Zoom. So there definitely we have some more information about company profile, etc. Today we are more on a medical from Dr. Prabhu, Okay, Thanks. Any more question for Dr. Prabhu?
Dr. Prabhu, this is good morning. This
Mr.
is Ting from Petalinjaya. Dr. Prabhu, I have a question. A friend of mine, his father, 90 years old, and his Indonesian mate, about 40 years old, after drinking the water, and they all found bitter taste in their mouth, as well as their phlegm, all black. So can you please explain on that or comment on that?
Okay, one of the reasons, if you're looking at when you're drinking terahertz water, detoxification. This is very simple detoxification. Like I have seen people after drinking the terahertz water, they start passing black stools, And so what's happening is when the lungs is trying to detox, definitely the phlegm, why is it black color, is because the toxins, especially the soot, and now you have to find out whether they are smokers, all these details we need to find out. The problem here for me to answer is because the person who is having a problem is not asking me the question. Most of the time it will be friend, and then see what happens. I can give you a solution, I can give you an answer, but the person who is really suffering is not here to know for me to even ask them what is happening. So in general, if you are looking at number one, the taste, If you're talking about the taste change, if your gut is healthy, your taste will be better. If there is some process where there is some gut issues and that needs to be cleansed, and during that process there can be a taste change, can happen. Other than that, the black phlegm, what I'm saying is, especially your body trying to detox, the phlegm is coming out, definitely there will be the black soot there. But all these situations, we need to talk to them and then find out the details and then move forward.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, Dr. Prabhu.
Dr. Prabhu, how else can you help besides drinking water for ulcerative colitis?
Finally.
You're asking for a treatment schedule for ulcerative colitis, or you're asking how terahertz water can assist?
Okay, how can terahertz water assist?
Okay, terahertz water, if you're looking at, I do have a few cases where we are treating for the ulcerative colitis and then, irritable bowel syndrome. Yes. But if you look at the disease process, it's a very, very complicated disease process of the colon, and it doesn't happen overnight. There are a lot of epigenetic factors, then the environmental factors, the food habits, all these play a very, very important role in creating that particular situation. And by drinking the water, what can happen is you're basically building up your own immune system, so that the immune, and ulcerative colitis is an autoimmune disease. So what will happen is, as you're building up your immune system into an optimized situation, healing can take place. But definitely for ulcerative colitis, there needs to be a proper protocol for the dietary habits, the mindset. Even mindset plays a very, very important role. Other than that, of course, additionally, if you're drinking terahertz water, it gives you a lot of boost for you to go into the process of healing.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Dr. Prabhu. Morning.
Very good morning, Chin.
I'm Chin from KL, Malaysia.
Yes, Chin.
I have the dialysis case. It's an uncle. I think he's around 60 to 70 years old.
Okay.
And a few days ago, I have provided him the terahertz water. Okay.
Okay.
So yesterday I follow up him, and then he said that after he drink, the heart, he feel like a bit uncomfortable.
Okay. How much of water is he supposed to drink?
I advise him started with 500 ml.
Okay.
He only drink, you see. So since that yesterday I follow up with him, he said his heart is feel like not comfortable. Okay. So what is your advice, doctor?
No, Chin, my first, I'm really, sometimes I really want to give left and right to the people who are all taking it for granted and getting into the disease process. Why is that when there is a dialysis case, people are giving 500 ml of water and next day they are telling that he's having a heart issue? Do you know, I have seen people, drinking 500 ml of water, next 2 days they are already in the hospital. So you all should understand that, especially when you're recommending this water, please start, especially if you're talking about a dialysis case. And I've been repeatedly telling you, cardiac cases, kidney cases, do not pump in 500 ml. How you can do that? 500 ml is too much. You need to start with 50 to 100 ml slowly over a period of time. Then only your body is able to balance it. What happens is you're giving 500 ml of water as it is. The doctor would have told you should drink only 500 ml of water, and you're giving a high energized water to that person. What will happen is it just pushes everything to your system. As I told you, like accelerating your vehicle, your body will not be, so your heart will start beating faster. So they will get scared,
I see, yeah.
So start with, especially cardiac cases, liver, your lung issues, a lot of water in the lung. The moment they say that, do not jump there and then you want to give terahertz water. Just be a little careful. Number one, what you need to do is you ask them, how much of water are you people supposed to drink? They will tell you 500 ml of water. This is what normally doctors will tell them. Okay. Number one, the moment, what you need to do is, what kind of water are they drinking? They will tell they will be drinking cuckoo water, whatever water. Okay. Now what you can do is, you should tell them that, okay, fine, I have something very good. This is a terahertz water, which has a high energy and it is a much more smaller molecular. I want to give this, but Just give them half-liter water bottle, half-liter of water, and you tell them in one day, first start with only 100 ml, okay? Or even much more easier is you need to take 250 ml of terahertz water and 250 ml of normal water, mix it up. Then ask them to drink only 50 ml to 100 ml per time over a period of the whole day. And then if they are used to it for 3 to 5 days, then the body will be used. Then slowly what you need to do, increase the amount of terahertz water. Like that I have given for kidney failure patient from 500 ml, now they are drinking almost 1.5 liters of water. There are patients like that, but you need to be a little more I would say cautious, especially when you're treating with dialysis patients.
Yes. Thanks, doctor. Thanks for
No
sharing.
worries, no
Thanks,
worries.
doctor.
Please take care.
Thank you.
Annie?
Okay, anybody else? Yeah.
11:30.
So
My appointment.
oh, you have appointment 11:30. Okay.
So thank you very much, Angie. I'll meet up next week. So thank you, everyone.
Morning, Dr. Prabhu. Morning, Dr. Prabhu. Last question from me.
Yes, Jimmy. How can I help you?
I'm Jimmy from Malaysia, Roadstar. Actually, I got one customer. She told me that our terahertz water is extremely good. But then now I asked her to use our terahertz water to clean her eyes. Then she told me that after she cleaned up the eyes, she found out something like the black screen gone through. Actually, what happening?
Hey, frankly, I don't know, Jim, unless you show me a photograph of what exactly she is seeing, black color. I'm also confused. I don't know what you're talking, because sometimes we don't know. People will give a lot of situations. We don't know. Ask them to take a photograph and then it to you. Then we know what to do.
Oh, actually, that one also cannot take photograph lah. Actually, is her eyes that one cannot take photograph. Is just she asked me, so I don't know how to answer. So maybe this is something pushed out lah. I think
maybe
so.
Maybe
I think so lah.
Eye getting cleansed up lah.
Okay. Anyway.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank you, Jim. Have a wonderful
week.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to every one of you. Thank you, Angie.
Okay,
thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, thank
you. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Prabhu.
Angie.
Okay. Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, Satya.
Yeah. I'm very new. I'm Satyanathan here.
Where are you from, Satya?
I'm from Batangas, Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
I gave water to my friend. I asked him to drink only 50 milliliter per day, 2 times per day. He got thyroid sick. Yesterday I called him. He says he's drinking 1 liter of terahertz water. Is it will affect his?
So how he feel? How he feel?
He feels he's very comfortable drinking 1 liter of water.
Okay. Yeah. So it can increase. Can increase.
Can increase.
Can increase. For thyroid. For thyroid, definitely will help. I have a friend. The thyroid, the lump string from 4 cm to 2 cm. And she just drink around 2 to 3 liters a day. So for your friend is new, right? So it slowly increase. Then you can spray at the throat area, the neck area.
He's having the thyroid for last 10 years.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Ice ball also has come out, very, very big ice balls. But he says drinking 1 liter of water. I got fear already yesterday, scared.
Scared of what?
Scared of anything will take wrong things will happen to him, because my sponsor told me only 50 milliliter water, because he's only drinking from last week. I'm also sponsored last week. I don't know about each of these.
Yeah, just now doctor mentioned only those with the cardiac issue, like lung issue or the kidney issue. This kind of patients, they cannot drink too much water as per doctor's advice. So all these, this one must be very careful, must start from the small amount. So for the thyroid, the normal one, since 1 liter, he or she is comfortable, right? Then you can increase slowly. So all
Okay.
depends on the individual body condition. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. In fact, our body, we need at least 8 glass of the water, right? So it's
Yeah.
around 2 liter to 3 liter. So
Okay.
he can increase.
Angie,
Yes.
is it possible for me to talk to you with your phone or talk in the meeting only?
Sorry again?
If I can talk to you personally with your phone, or only I can talk to you in the meeting?
Yeah, it's better to look for your upline first, your leader first. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, unless any you join the Telegram group. Many of us we send the info and the testimony inside. Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, huh?
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah,
Angie.
welcome. Yeah,
Happy
welcome.
Mother's Day.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
Angie,
yes.
my name is Safrina.
Safreen.
I'm very new. I have actually ordered I don't know to pronounce Taria what I have already ordered, but I have not received yet. But
Where are
my
you
question-
from, Safreen? Singapore, huh? Now out of stock, you know.
No,
Wow,
my
it's run out of stock. The stock
I
will
already got
arrive.
it. My friend has not delivered to me.
Oh, now
Okay,
the
okay.
stock is with your friend.
My problem is that I understand that it can be boiled, right? The water can be boiled. But the problem is that now my question is, my kettle, my current kettle, you see the normal water that we're drinking, when I put in the kettle.
I cannot hear you. Safreen, you mute yourself. You unmute yourself. Safreen?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
can hear you now.
Okay. Many of us when you use normal tap water to boil, and after some you can see the kettle, the base of the kettle, you can see those, I don't know, is it brown golden spot on it. I don't know whether you experience. Then people try to use lemon to clear the yellow spot. Okay, now my question is, can I use this water to put in a normal kettle, or I have to buy a special kettle?
Okay, first of all, you should understand why your kettle is brownish, right? Because from the tap water is without filter. So all the metallic contamination, the rust, the soil, everything, it will not be removed even though you boil it. So right now in this terahertz package, there is a free filter inside. And first of all, you have to plug it into your tap water to filter the water first. Then you use it to scan with the 3 minutes terahertz. Then only you use it to boil. Yeah. So the sequence is you must filter away all the impurities, the rust, the metal or soil. And then you scan with the terahertz device, the one that looks like a iron shape. You scan 3 minutes to break down the water molecule into single linear molecule. And after this, it will be energized already. And then if you want directly drink it, also can, because the terahertz device will kill the bacteria, including the E. coli. So you can drink safely. Or if you want to drink the warm water, then you take this water to boil, maybe up to 40 degrees can drink already. Heat up, just heat up, then you can drink already. But if you want to boil until can up to 100, definitely too hot for you to put inside the mouth, right? But if you want to up to 100, then you keep into the thermos, also can. But make sure
the base, even the base is brownish, so we can continue to boil.
You clean up first, clean up first.
Okay.
But you're not comfortable with the kettle dirty already, then you change. It's up to individual. Yeah, you can brush up. I think you can clean up. No problem. So we should understand.
Your advice is not to boil up to 100. The best is around 40.
Yeah, it's as long as you're comfortable to drink, because the purpose of boiling the water until 100 degrees Celsius is to kill the bacteria. But right now with the terahertz, you already kill, even it kill also the E. coli, which is 100 degrees Celsius also cannot kill this E. coli, the so-called the bacteria. It very long lasting one. It can last until 130 or 140 degrees Celsius. That's why sometimes we go overseas, right? The certain country, they drink the water there, they feel not comfortable because of the E. coli will cause the diarrhea and the vomiting. And even though you boil the water, but still cannot, right? Because it can stand up to 130 and 140 degrees Celsius. So right now using this terahertz is very good. It can kill all this E. coli. So the normal bacteria for sure, no problem, can get rid of them.
Okay.
Understand,
Right, thanks.
Welcome. Okay. Yeah, who else? You can just direct unmute your mic. Is that easy?
Angie.
Yes. Where are you from? What's your name?
From Malaysia. Tan from. Now you were saying 40 degrees heat, boil it.
Any degree. As long as you feel
No,
comfortable
what
to
I'm trying
drink.
to say is, what I'm trying to say, if you want to make coffee or Chinese tea, it has to be very hot. It has got to go up to
That
100.
is okay. It's okay. You can put it under 100.
Isn't it? It's still okay.
It's okay. It's up to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Yeah. Anybody? Just unmute your mic or any sharing. Yes.
Angie, this is Susan from Singapore. I'm using terahertz water for boiling a soup. So how long can I keep it in the metal pot? Is there a duration?
Okay. I believe your pot will be a good material one, right?
Stainless steel.
Yeah. So it's a good material, no problem. You can boil your soup for a few hours, no problem. But don't keep it overnight. For example, you cannot finish your soup. You want to keep inside the fridge, right? You pour it out to the plastic or the glass type. Don't keep with the metallic inside the fridge.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. Welcome. So okay, anything? So we have to understand. Just now I see some people ask about all the diseases. This water is not to cure your disease. Cannot say cure this, cure that, but it will help our body to do the self-healing. You try to understand why people sick, why there is cancer. Definitely is some the cell, our body cell already how to say, being polluted, example or poisonous. So with this water, because we need to drink water. Just the matter of what kind of water you choose. If you choose a good water, single molecule and energized water, it will rinse away your toxic inside your body and your heatiness. So maybe you like to eat certain food, the fried food, your favorite food, right? You cannot control your mouth, you still want to eat. But at least you must drink something good water, can rinse away the whatever rubbish from the body. That's why this water, I have done the experiment on our blood. I poke a finger and then a drop of blood to see under microscope. Before and after drinking, just 20 minutes time only, our blood start to move freely. Because there is one characteristic is the low viscosity. So our blood, if you drink normal water, it will not go inside your blood directly. Because the normal water, the molecule size is very big because all stick together. The H2O all stick together, become very big. So when you drink, it cannot go inside your cell, cannot go inside your bloodstream. But with terahertz water, it's so small and directly go to your blood. So when you drink, that's why those with a high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes definitely will help because it will rinse away the toxic and the fatty issue. Remove from the blood vessel. It's a cleaning. For definitely your food intake. If you control your food intake, you don't put in more rubbish, right? Then you will see the effect faster lah. Yeah. So the first thing, your healthy lifestyle, sleep, exercise, Sleep, exercise, and drink more water and good water. And the food, you choose a different kind of color of vegetables. Try to avoid the cold drink and the sweet drink, and also the what gas drink.
Can I ask a question? Hello.
Yes, who is that?
Francis here from Penang. We put our terahertz spray water in the fridge, cool, and then when we spray on our eyes and face, is it okay? Is it the same as not putting in the fridge? Are we allowed? Is the effect the same?
It's to spray only, right? Spray.
Yeah, spray on the eyes. It's because we're very refreshing when it's cool,
Very refreshing. In fact, the normal temperature also quite refreshing.
I know, but happen that when it's cool, so I want to see whether it's as effective as not putting in the. Can you find out and see?
Yeah, for spray, definitely should be okay. The drink then is not advisable. You know why? Because our body temperature is
correct.
hot.
The warmer the water for drink is better for the body. So I just want to know whether it's still effective on the spray with the chill water. It seems nice, but if it's not effective, then there's no point that we put it in the fridge. Because someone did it and felt so refreshing, so we also tried it, and then so of course it's refreshing when it's chill. You spray on the skin or face, it does wake you up or just give you a pep, wake up element. So just to find out whether does it any change in this effect or not. If there's nothing, then we can continue to use it this way. We mix, of course we do mix.
You mix with what?
I mean, we mix. We sometimes don't use cold. Sometimes we come home, then the fridge day we take out and then we spray, So
the
like
spray should be okay, should be okay, because once you treat with the 3 minutes, the structure will not change even though the temperature change.
Okay, all right. That's all we want to know, only.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Angie?
Yes.
Two person already spoke. Can we drink? Because I was a different thought already for a while. Can we drink this terahertz water? Keep in the fridge? Can we keep in the fridge?
Okay, you have to understand why not. Okay, you can keep. The only thing is when you drink, you tone down the temperature. Don't be so cold. Actually, our body, there's a body temperature is high, right? If you always drink the cold drink, what will happen? Your kidney will have to spend more energy to heat up the water first. So in the long run, it will hurt your kidney. That's why you try to drink warm water, which is very close to our body temperature. Then you don't need to overuse your organ to heat up the water when you go into your
Thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.
My name is Wong. I'm from KL. Do you mind letting us know Dr. Prabhu's telephone number? If there's anything, we can call him direct. Is it all right?
Oh, I think this one you should wait for next Saturday. You ask him by yourself lah.
Oh, directly.
I think better lah.
Oh, okay.
In fact, he has a clinic in a Klang.
Yes.
So if you want to consult him, maybe you have to pay the consultancy lah.
It doesn't matter.
So better you ask in the Zoom.
Okay.
Okay, can
Thanks.
Unless very, very urgent, what's your problem? You want to see him?
No. Just sometimes you advise, Yeah. Not for me. Not for me. Okay.
Yeah. Of course, the first person. If about the terahertz water, first person you check with your person who introduce you. If she doesn't know, then up again the leader.
Yeah.
Can
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Just now, who is that?
Hi, Angie. Good morning.
Teresa.
Teresa from Alostar.
Yes. You want to share something? The testimony?
Oh, you want me to share testimony?
Yeah, share lah. I know you have done very well.
Recently, there's a couple, quite elderly, and according to the husband, is about more than 10 years ago, when he went to hospital, and then he is quite close with that specialist. So at that time, I don't know whether it's because of influenza or what. So the doctor recommend him to have a jab on this a vaccine. But after the vaccine, it caused him to suffer fits. Tarik. Chinese say tarik.
Tarik.
So since then, poor thing, the thing happened quite frequently.
Because of the jab.
According to him.
Okay.
But before he comes to me for the water, actually he got it from somebody else. Then but that person stay quite far. So and then I also deliver water to his friend. So his friend told him I can deliver water for them. It's very quite near my house. So since then I have been delivering water for him for about 1 month plus. So that means he already drank our water for about 3 months plus. And last few days, he's very excited. So the wife called me up. So the children agreed to let them order the device. Because it really helps this uncle. And now after he has drank our water for 3 months plus, the fits happen only once.
Oh, okay.
So to them is they feel is so good because earlier if he get into fits one day it will occur 7-8 times. Less than an hour it will start again. Less than an hour it will start again. So the wife the loving wife have to sit beside him and keep calling him and then massage him. Because when he got fits, he's almost like unconscious like that.
But this one is due to the jab, I don't think so, right?
According to him, he said due to the jab this uncle because earlier he never had fits. It never happened before.
They have this fix for how long already?
More than 10 years low. It's already more than 10 years. It keep recurring and recurring. So thank God that now after he has drank this our water, so every week they will ask for to resonate 10 containers for them. And the wife also have some ailments, so the wife after taking our water she said it's very good. It has enhanced her recovery. And both of them the uncle is the front button almost bald already, so now I got hair come out. Got hair come out already.
Hair.
And then also so some even the black hair also come out.
So good.
And the wife also said, my hair also now I can see my hair got more black one coming out. So I did take the picture and also to understand this thing, but I cannot share it because they told me I am just sharing to you, so you don't put up my video yet Wait until I really no more fits, and only you can ask me to share.
But so the fixed one is very special. The fixed one, the fixed that's how I said. The one
you wouldn't know got people suffer like that.
Yeah. But actually, we can explain. You drink water for 3 months, then see the improvement, is it?
Yeah, 3 months plus already.
Only 3 months plus. One day, how many liter?
I don't know, because every week I resonated 10 containers for them.
Okay.
So
Actually, this
according to-
we can explain by rinse out the, because whenever jab, right, taking a jab actually is to inject some so-called the bacteria to fight against
the
you know
good virus lah.
yeah. So is to the so-called the mechanism of taking the vaccination is to injecting something, then to create the own immune system when our body will fight. That's why we have a fever. So if this thing go inside our body, we cannot accept it, so it will cause other things like the fix, So now you drink the water, right? Yeah, it will rinse away. It will rinse away. Like last time, there is somebody share about the medicine allergic, right? Yeah, so swollen, the whole face all swollen. But after taking the water, it will rinse away all this so-called the toxic, and then it start to reduce as well. So we can explain on this jab issue as well, the fix.
And
okay, thanks.
I have one more, the kidney stone, and when they show me the doctor do the ultrasound, so they show is actually is a Filipino made. I think most probably you have saw the video, my video.
You sent to me. Maybe after
did
this you send to me.
I think did I send you that? I forgot it. But this the mate the kidney stone is it line up like that, so it's almost like 16 cm like that. But after drinking our water, the first week is I told her to drink about 3 liters. Then the second week when I sent the water, I said, oh, can you increase the amount? So she said, can. She said, Auntie, I can drink water. So she increased to 1 container, that is about 5 liters. After 3 weeks, wow, the master so happy. Said when went back for the clinic to check up. The doctor was very surprised after doing the ultrasound. Couldn't find the stone at all.
Oh, then how the stone come out? Through urine or through what?
I think maybe it's through urine.
Through urine.
Or how? But doctor cannot find the stone already. And then the kidney also no more like inflamed. No more swollen. So that's why she's very, very happy. If not, the master say you quite upset lah. I say if to take her for operation or what then since she's a foreigner, most probably cost her more than 10,000. Yeah. So wow, she's so excited. The moment came back from the clinic, he said she quickly called me. He said, "Oh, I have good news. I got good news. I want to tell you."
Just drink this water only.
She drank the water.
Didn't take anything.
Actually, the maid the relatives did ask her to take the Chinese, but the Chinese that pills is she showed me also is actually to help her to ease urination. You know, 好像给她通尿
，OK.
It's called 通尿片Chinese. So that's why then but she has been taking for quite some time already, but still every time the mistress 的主人那女主人 took her for checkup still keep seeing the stone there
Okay.
But now after drinking our water,
for how long
she refused for 3 weeks plus
3 weeks, okay.
3 weeks plus earlier at first she did not drink. She thought that, you see what one container, you say our house got water, ma'am, why you want to go and get this water? At first she's a bit like quite concerned. I don't know what Sen Sui what you call the temple and take water like that. She dare not drink. And then after the third visit, when I went to deliver water, then she saw me lah. So happened she saw me, and then I show her. I said there. Then I said I'm a Christian also, and then usually Roman Filipinos they are Roman Catholic. So the master said, hey, Theresa is a Christian. Then you see, she bring the device. You know, you don't scared. I didn't bring water from the temple.
No,
then
can scan their water.
So after that, she drink now. She drink already. Then first week is 3 liters. Then after that, second week when I went, I told her you must drink 5 liters. And she listened. She listened, and then after she said she drink 5 liters for 3 weeks. Then when went back for the checkup again, you know, because she did take the medication from the doctor I think. So because kidney swollen no? So now she's happy really.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Theresa. I think it's very good.
Hey,
testimony.
Angie, I have a question. Yesterday only, one of my friend, my downline also, she sent me a video, and the video said that they are drinking the Kangen water. So I think the one who sell to her the Kangen water said, now I show you this video. You see, you cannot use the device to scan our Kangen water. You scan already our Kangen water. The water will 变质 How to tell her? How to explain to her?
We have a gadget to measure, man.
Don't know. You know, later I'll send to you lah. I'll show you.
Can you send me? Can.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry, Angie, Safrine again from Singapore. Just now I heard the testimony lady sharing. She was bitten by insect. Can I know what is the insect?
Oh, this one. He is she mentioned but I can tell you my boy my kids always sometimes always have a swollen because of some insect as well. So it doesn't matter what kind of insect, as long as mosquito also can. I also try myself. Mosquito bite start to itchy, you know, then I quickly spray and then stop the itchiness immediately.
Okay.
So all this you can try. The reason why is very simple. When we drink, we rinse out the toxic already. All the insect, why we feel itchiness, why swollen? Because they inject the poison inside our skin, right? So when you drink, it will rinse away all the poison. And then when you spray, it will reduce the inflammation. So I already explained, I experienced it in my boys. My 2 boys are always, last time, insect bite. Sleeping, I also don't know. I don't know what kind of insect. But it swelled a bit. Then must see doctor. But now 1 year, over the past 1 year, we never see doctor. When I spray next day, it reduces swell already. You can try. And then in Taiwan, who's that? In Taiwan, there is a bee. It's sting by the bee. Sting by the bee also can. The same concept, because the bee there is some poison put inside our skin, so it swell. Wow, the whole face big swell a lot. So he just spray and drink more and rinse away the toxic out.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Because and then I saw her symptom was very. She was very severe.
Yeah. It's very effective one.
Okay.
But even I tell you, there's one time I don't know eat what then my skin allergy then start to feel itchy. Then I quickly go and spray. It stopped the itchiness immediate.
That means can also use for diarrhea. People suffering from people has diarrhea. I don't know.
Diarrhea. Anyway, we need to drink water. Huh?
Okay.
Drink warm water. Direct drink warm water lah. So definitely there is something not right already in the body. So when we drink, we can rinse away the toxic or heavy metal. It will rinse away. That's why just now doctor mentioned the Parkinson, the brain one is something about the mercury. Mercury is a heavy metal. So indirectly it will rinse away and improve lah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Welcome.
Angie,
Yeah, who's that?
Susan here. I want to ask you. My upline told me that I have to press the button twice to terahertz of water. Is it necessary?
Actually, one time is enough. You use the jug, 3.5 liter. One time, it already give you the 5 characteristics already. The water molecule is already in a linear single mode. So if you let's say you say, forgot whether done or not. So you press one more time. It doesn't matter. The structure will still the same. But some people in the temple, they say, maybe more energy. But all this we cannot measure lah. Just that maybe you waste one more time lah. There is a lifespan for this device, 50,000 times. So more you press, then the shorter the lifespan. One time is enough.
So does it
Sorry,
mean
Angie, how come we cannot hear you?
Hello?
Cannot hear me?
Goes
Can
wrong
hear
with
me,
your side.
Can hear me?
No sound, no.
Yes, we can hear you, Angie, loud and clear. Yes.
Okay.
We can hear loud and clear. Thanks.
No.
Angie,
Thank you.
I want to ask you. Hello, Angie.
Yes.
If say my container is much bigger, like say a 5 liter, so does it mean that I have to press 2 times? How?
No.
Volume.
How big is your container?
No, I'm just mentioning if it's a bigger one, because right now, of course, I'm using the terahertz container. But if I should use a bigger container, like 5 liter, so does that mean I have to press 2 times? Because the size is bigger.
Okay, if up to 5 liter, we have a friend in Malaysia, they direct scan. So sometimes you buy from Giant, right? The distilled water 5.5 liter. The
Yes.
bottle. And then you want to give away, right? This one
Yes.
you can directly scan. One time is enough, still effective.
Okay.
But
Okay,
if you just use for own house one, right? You use the jug is better. The jug, 3.5.
Okay, thank you so
Then
much.
you pour out, pour to your container.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, Angie.
Yes.
Just now somebody mentioned about insect bite. I have a friend, and before New Year, he went down to KL to look after the daughter who has just gone for operation because of fibrosis. And then the father too kind helped to go and do the gardening, and he was bitten by an insect. Don't know what kind of insect. So after 2 days, first day, the second day, when he woke up, he feel very itchy and then start to have some like blister like that, no? 泡泡这样 like 水泡. And then the wife said quickly go and see doctor. And then he still stubborn, don't want to go. Then the second day when he woke up, the whole leg become reddish, and then with all the like pow the blister like that. And he starting to get fever already. Then no choice. Then the wife insists you must go to see doctor already. Then only he went, and immediately he was admitted. But because when he was admitted, even in the private hospital, the wife cannot visit him. And because he's a heart patient, and the doctor gave him very strong antibiotics, and it caused him. After that, he started to bleed. You know, when he passed medicine, then he's bleeding. He saw blood come out, and it becomes very serious. So the doctor wanted to do scope. So after 2-3 days, and then they when the doctor want to do scope, so he has to fast. He cannot eat, and they just gave him liquid. And that evening, he said he almost want to feel like he want to bang sun already. No? And in his ward, there's only one nurse, walking past by like that. And he said his eyes can feel that his eyes is almost like, you know, become very blur like that. You know, and then the voice hear people like talking are also like becoming not so clear. So he like almost wanting to pass out. But he's a Christian now, so he said he prayed in his heart. He said, God, if it's time you want to take me go, let me go peacefully. If not, you make sure you let me leave. You know. And after that, wow, thank God there is a doctor passed by, and he heard the doctor shouted at the nurse, you know, say, what is happening? Huh? You see this patient? Huh? He's like, his eyes is like half open like that already. He's like almost wanting to like pass out. So the doctor came and then saw him, and then, you know, quickly asked the nurse to go and get blood. So, you know, give him 1 pint of blood, I think. That time, after that, he doesn't know anything already. Until the next morning, he feel very weak. When the doctor came, want to send him go to a scope, he pleaded with the doctor. The doctor, I'm really very weak, and you still want to do scope on me? The doctor said, yeah, have to, because you see, you're passing out blood. So no choice. I said, don't worry, very fast one. So they did. So they found out what happened. I think maybe because of he's taking the blood thinning medication, and then the antibiotic also very strong, so caused maybe some internal bleeding or whatnot.
So then, I want to ask, this person got drink Theresa water or not?
He's in KL. I'm in Alostar.
So he's not using this water, right?
No, not yet.
Okay, I think it's
after
very...
that, he came back. He came back, he discharged. The doctor still doesn't allow him to come out, but he's scared already. He came out. You know, he came out and then he came back here. Also, you know, he went to see another doctor, specialist also. Then so happened, one friend met him, you know, one of my friend. And then she said, hey, what happened? Your leg like that. Still very reddish and then, you know, quite swollen like that. He said, hey, you quick. Because that friend of mine, the husband, after drinking our water for 2 months, he has diabetic for quite some years already. But he's diabetic after taking medication also, it doesn't really come down. But now, after taking our water, the wife monitor, and the diabetic came down to 5.1. It's very normal. And then he said, never in his life he see his diabetic down to 5.1. So he's very happy. So he bought the device. So that friend, when he met this friend of mine, so she just tell that friend, say, hey, you quickly go and ask Theresa for water, because she knows that this brother is very close, quite close to me . So after that, she called me up some more and then asked me to send water to him. So after he's been drinking our water, I think now it's just the 3rd time I'm sending water to him. And after drinking the first week, he has some joint pains. And then he have to go to PU for that 4 or 5 days. You see your water make me every time have to go and PU. And then after that, okay already. So now I still tell him, but he's getting better now. Getting better. And I told him to spray on it also. And then I asked him, you must drink more than 3 liters. So he quite listen. So now he's drinking. And then he said, wait, when it really helps me, I recover, then I will consider. Thank God. Okay?
Okay, wow, very long story. So the lesson learned from this whole story, actually just a simple, maybe during the gardening, right, the insect bite. In fact, very quickly, you just drink the water and spray. You no need to go through all very long treatment inside the hospital and pay those medical fee. Yeah. So sometimes, you know why? For doctor, we give very strong antibiotic. Actually, it's no good for our body. We have to understand. That's why some good doctor, they won't anyhow give antibiotic one. If your body can heal by yourself, is the best. but some they are forced to, like us, some patients don't understand. They ask an antibiotic. Actually, it's no good. You know why? Because some bacteria, antibiotic is to fight with this one bacteria. But when this bacteria already immune to this kind of antibiotic, then we have to find a way to create another antibiotic is stronger and stronger. So eventually it's very harmful to our body. So everybody must have this kind of knowledge. Like for example, the vaccine, right? You heard about the news mentioned. Actually happened in Singapore, They already taken two jab of the vaccine, but still get COVID. Why? Because the COVID, the virus already changed, like from England one, from Africa one, the virus already changed. But the vaccine is still based on the original, the first type of the virus to generate this vaccine. So eventually, our own body immune system is the best. Well, no matter the virus change to what kind of the type, our immune system can protect ourselves from all kind of the virus. So by drinking Theresa water, in fact, will increase our body immune system. So all this we have to have a clear mindset about all this, why it happened, and educate the people around. Okay, I also want to mention hello. Yeah, who is that very noisy background? So some people ask about why Kangen water is very good. Yes, Kangen water is very good. But of course we don't. It's a filter. It's a filter, and it's a very good filter with a very high antioxidants, and that's why in Japan they use it to cure the cancer patient. But the water molecule is not small enough. It's around 7 to 8 molecules joined together. So after we can use back the Kangen water plus 3 minutes restauration, it will break down the molecule into single linear molecule. And whatever good things inside the Kangen water is still remain. Because after Theresa is still antioxidants, antibacterial, low viscosity. And single molecule is the current high tech. The technology is the one that the latest technology, because in the market is 1 year plus terahertz. So this Theresa is also used in the mobile 6G. Now the scientist is doing the research on the 6G mobile network. Also, this is the latest technology that can break down into single molecule. So when the people drink this water after Kangen plus 3 minutes terahertz, then the effect is very fast. And this happened in my team's member, Mei Fong. She has many problems. Has a thyroid, already grow to 4 cm, and doctor asked her for the operation. So due to COVID, is delay. And she just tried the TCM, try MRI, scope, all cannot find the root cause. So it's quite normal if in the hospital, nothing that, not all you can find the root cause, so you cannot find. So what she tried, because her house already using the Kangen water filter, and then he add on this 3 minutes terahertz. Well, then the 3 weeks time, you start to observe the fibroid, I think the lump is shrink to 2 cm. Then she was very happy. No need to go for operation anymore. Save a lot in the medical fee. You try to imagine, and also save a life. Because she's not only this thyroid problem, and she also have a sore throat problem, hand cramp, breathing problem. Every night must wear this breathing gadget for the apnea one. If you notice, last time I share in my Zoom, it's very torturing, It's very torturing. But now she was very happy in 3 weeks time. So she paid this 1,600 for the whole set, right? Maybe we have some new people, $1,006 Sing dollar for this whole set, but she get back this money in a 1 week time. Why? Because her condition improved, and then her friends saw her. Also, her friends also want to buy. So this our company, this Terrace company is not to sell, no, we save lives and at the same time also generate wealth, the income, give you some income. Because of COVID, many people lost job, no income, and this is a career. It can give you health and wealth, give you some income and happy family. Okay. So I think did I explain? So that's why I give up my senior engineer job, the high paid job, and full time in this terahertz. The reason why is really this terahertz, it can be a good career to improve our health, and also will generate some income. Besides that, we can do the charity. Like today and next week, we are going a charity, give away the water. We have some people even want to donate this device to the Cancer Society, to the temple, so that they can give away the water to those that will need it. So we still, of course, yes.
Okay, before you finish, I give you a testimony.
Okay, good.
You continue first. So sweet of you.
Then Maya, any question from sharing? So we encourage more and more people to be a part of our team, and then we help those that need it, because the COVID happened is so serious, in fact, this water can prevent, because COVID, it doesn't happen overnight. It's sometimes like it start from your sore throat, right? Yeah, so you quickly go and drink the gargle, then it will rinse away the virus from staying in your throat and go to your lung. That's why you say drink warm water, and the terrace water, good one. That rinse away all this virus out. That it will, when once it being removed, when it's happened at the throat area, it already removed, right? So it will not affect your lung. So there's a reason why we have to have this kind of the mindset. Yeah, when it just happened, quickly send to them, encourage them. Okay, right, Satya.
Yeah. Now I'm telling my testimony. I was a diabetes patient for last 25 years. And 3 years ago, they amputated my right toe. From that, my leg was swollen, most of the time swollen and paining. And I cannot lay down my leg. And when I sleep, I have to put 2 toes and put the legs on the pillow. After I drank this Hera text water, within 4 days, my pain has reduced, my numbness has reduced, I can walk very perfectly, then I feel very happy. So what I feel, this water is very, very important for every human being. Those are suffering in the sickness, either they are not suffering in the sickness. They have to consume this water and preserve their life and live 150 years. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Satya. Then you have keep the picture or anything? You have picture?
I have leg pictures. I can send the leg pictures.
Send to me, then we
how to send these pictures?
Okay, Satya.
Because I am very new to this WhatsApp also.
Very new. Okay, I'm collecting the testimony. So yeah, maybe you can WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me,
Yeah.
Let me find you.
How to WhatsApp? What's
How
your
to WhatsApp?
No, what is your how to WhatsApp your name or how it is?
Can I give you a private chat to you, Then you will send to me.
Please. Now you have my phone, isn't it?
Yeah, you go look at the chat group. Chat group.
Okay. Thank you.
You are in Malaysia, right? You are in Malaysia.
Okay.
Okay. So you send me the picture, or your video for the testimony. Okay. So for tonight, there is a Chinese Zoom, okay, by speaker Derek. And the host is Brian. Derek also have many experience in the testimony. Last time he also shared in the, So if you do understand the Chinese, and then you can dial in tonight 8 p.m.